So welcome to our AutoCAD class. Today we'll be looking at a question in NAPTEB, and it happens to be a roof. So you should use the rectangular, create a roof below using the rectangular align command. So for you know that rectangular command do with two coordinates, which is the x and y coordinate. The x coordinate is the 12 mm, while the y coordinate is the 5 mm. And the edge of the roof is inclined at 60 degrees. So for me to draw the rectangular part now, I'm going to click on the rectangular command. We should look at your drawing command here. You see the rectangular command here. Click on it and specify. You see specify the first point. You click on the first point. You enter the x coordinate first, which is 12, comma. You enter the y coordinate, which is 5. You click on enter. This is the shape of the rectangle. So to be sure your figure is complete or correct, you can click on dimension. When you click on dimension, you are going to see linear as the first dimension there. You click on it, take this first point at this first point. If you extend, you give the 5. You will give that 5 mm. As you can see, we have 5 mm. Then repeat the same dimension. Click on this point and this point. Take it down, you see your 12 mm. As shown in the figure below. Then if you look at the roof, this edge of the roof, this part is centralized. So how do you centralize it now? Before then, you must have set your drawing command using the snap tool. Using the snap tool to set your drawing command. So you come here, let me go back. You click on this point, you see which is here, you see restrict cursor to specific angle, or click on it, you scroll down, you see tracking settings, click on start, then come to object snap. You look at the object snap, there are many objects here. You can see the end point, the midpoint, the center line. I need the midpoint, that's why I set it at midpoint. You have center, we have extension, we have tangent. So you can set it based on the specification of your drawing. So that is that. So I'll try click on line now. Click on line. I want to get the midpoint. I come here, you see the midpoint. You can see it there. Click on it. Then you can see the line is not straight. Then come down here to click on your auto. You click on auto, you can see it will be a straight line. So this is the end point. So that is that. So at this edge now you can see one part of this part of the roof is 60. There is 60 here, is also 60. So you can use our line command now to do this. I will click on line, come here, I will draw the extension which is 5, enter, then come back and off your auto so that you can find the inclined angle which is 60. So, but before then, try to get the midpoint of the line, which is here. Use the midpoint, extend it to any length you want. Click on it, then I will come here and off my auto so that I can have an inclined line. So I will click on line again, come to this point, click on line, I'll come to this point, which is this end, click on it, I will be looking for the angle. You can see we have 29, then 30, this angle is 30, make sure it's 30, you click and end it there. Then you repeat the same process, repeat line. I will come here also, click on this edge. I will look for 30, this is 30. I will end it here. So you trim to remove the excesses. I'll click on T arrow, which is trim, double click, enter, remove the excesses. I'll click here, here, and here to remove the excesses. Then let me retake this point. Let me take these 2 points. I'll come again, click on line. Just make sure the perfectly inclined at 30. This is 30. Okay? Then be sure the angle is correct. Come to dimension, click on angular, click on this line and this line to be sure it's 60. Yes, it's 60. So I'll repeat line also, come here, make sure you're having 30. This is 30. I'll click on it and end there. So remove the SSC by clicking on trim, T arrow, trim, double click. Remove these SSCs, these SSCs. Then press enter. You can see remove this SSC, T arrow again. Remove this SS, enter. So this is the shape. So what I will do, I will copy select it because there are two of it. I'll come to copy select. Let me repeat that process. First of all, I highlight it. I highlight the entire figure. Then right click to come to copy select. That means I can select the object into two different two. Then you press enter. So I can leave the first one. I can leave the first one to the first edge. I will highlight it, then right click, come to move. You can move here, click on move. Then come to the midpoint. This is the midpoint. It's close to this midpoint. I will put it there. And here, the other one is on the reverse side. You can see it's reverse. What I will do, I will rotate the other one at 180, then right click, highlight first, then right click, come to rotate. This is rotate. Then come to this edge. Then put the rotation angle is 180 because moving anti-clockwise. This is rotation 180. I'll remove the midline, erase, highlight it again. Then right click, come to move, come to the midpoint. This is the midpoint. I'll put it at this midpoint. That is it. So I will remove the SS lines. I'll remove the first line. The enable us to determine the midpoint. And click on line. Come to this point. And this point you join to give us the roof as illustrated in the figure. So this is our first AutoCAD drawing in our YouTube channel. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe. In various classes, we'll be doing more complex drawing than this. Maybe I may start from the basics for those who are AutoCAD beginners. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.